Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make the most delicious French toast, the only way. We'll start by gathering our simple ingredients. You'll need about 6 slices of your favorite bread, 2 large eggs, 1/2 cup of milk, and a tablespoon of sugar. Having everything prepped and ready to go is key for a smooth cooking process. This method ensures a perfect, golden brown finish every single time. Now, let's create our irresistible batter. In a shallow dish, whisk 2 large eggs until they are completely blended. Then, slowly pour in 1/2 cup of milk, mixing gently. Add 1 tablespoon of sugar and a tiny pinch of salt to enhance the flavors. For an extra touch, consider adding 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract or a 1/4 teaspoon of ground cinnamon. This balanced mixture is crucial for a rich, flavorful coating. With our batter ready, it's time to soak the bread. Dip each slice into the mixture, allowing it to absorb for about 10 to 15 seconds on each side. You want it fully coated but not soggy. Next, heat a non-stick pan or griddle over medium heat. Add about 1 tablespoon of butter, letting it melt and coat the surface. Cook each side for 2 to 3 minutes until it's beautifully golden brown and cooked through. Your perfect French toast is now ready to enjoy. Serve it warm, straight from the pan, with a generous drizzle of pure maple syrup. For a fresh twist, top it with an assortment of fresh berries, like sliced strawberries or plump blueberries. A dollop of whipped cream or a light dusting of powdered sugar also adds a delightful finish. Pair it with some crispy bacon or sausage for a truly satisfying breakfast or brunch.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.